Hello and welcome to another exciting episode on Ebony People Today. Today we dive into the world of billionaires, but not just any billionaires. We are talking about two of the most influential business magnates in Africa. One is the richest man in Africa and the other is a highly respected Igbo billionaire. So, let me ask you, between Aliko Dangote and Arthur Eze, who do you think is richer? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the business juggernaut that is Aliko Dangote. If you've ever heard of Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, or even the new Dangote refinery, you already know that this man means business literally. But how did he rise to become the wealthiest man in Africa? Let's rewind the clock. Aliko Dangote was born on April 10th, 1957 in Kano State, Nigeria. He came from a wealthy and influential family. His grandfather, Sanusi Dandata, was a successful businessman who introduced young Aliko to the world of trade at an early age. Dangote's love for business started as a child when he would buy sweets and sell them to his classmates for a profit. Fast forward to 1977, at the age of 20, he founded Dangote Group, initially focusing on trading commodities like sugar, rice, and cement. But here's where things get really interesting. Instead of sticking to trading, Dangote took a bold step. He decided to start manufacturing these products himself. And that, my friends, is where the magic happened. Today, Dangote Cement is the largest cement producer in Africa, dominating the construction industry across multiple countries. And let's not forget about its refinery, which is set to revolutionize Nigeria's oil and gas sector. With all these business ventures, Aliko Dangote is currently worth an estimated $23.9 billion. Pretty impressive, right? But hold on, because we're about to meet another heavyweight billionaire who has also made his mark on Africa's economy. This is Arthur Eze. Have you heard of Atlas Oranto Petroleum? If you haven't, well, let me introduce you to one of Nigeria's biggest players in the oil and gas industry. Arthur Eze was born in 1948 in Ukwo, Anambra State, into the royal family of Ukwo. Unlike Dangote, who built his fortune in manufacturing, Arthur Eze found his wealth in oil exploration and production. After studying mechanical and chemical engineering at California State University, he returned to Nigeria and founded Atlas Oranto Petroleum in 1991. Now, here is why this company is a big deal. Atlas Oranto holds one of the largest oil exploration licenses in Africa, with assets in multiple countries including Nigeria, Ghana, and Guinea. This means that every drop of oil coming from these fields is bringing in millions of dollars. Beyond his business empire, Arthur Eze is also known for his philanthropy, especially in the Igbo community. He has donated millions towards education, infrastructure, and development in southeastern Nigeria. And his wealth, an estimated $6.4 billion. Not bad, right? But here's the big question. Who actually is richer? The fact remains that Arthur Eze is rumored to be richer than Dangote. When Arthur Eze started making money, Dangote was still a teenager and his father was still hustling. At that point, Arthur Eze was already making money in dollars. Go and verify this. Arthur Eze is known worldwide and has investments everywhere. He has private jets parked in different countries, jets he doesn't even use but still pays tax on. He owns over 18 different oil licenses across the world. And you want to compare him with Dangote? Well, feel free to. Although with a net worth of $23.9 billion, Dangote surpasses Arthur Eze's $6.4 billion by a long shot. But here's where things get really interesting. While Dangote built his empire through industrialization and manufacturing, Arthur Eze made his fortune through oil exploration. These are two entirely different industries, each with its own risks and rewards. At the end of the day, wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about impact, legacy, and the industries they dominate. Dangote may be the richest man in Africa, but Arthur Eze remains a force to be reckoned with in Igbo land and beyond, especially among Igbo billionaires. Both men represent the power of African entrepreneurship and the potential for wealth creation on the continent. Now I want to hear from you. Who do you think has the higher, bigger impact? Is it Aliko Dangote, the African industrialist, or Arthur Isay, the Igbo oil tycoon? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to like and share this video, and of course, subscribe to Ebony People TV channel for more fascinating stories on Africa's business titans. Until next time, we'll see you in our next video.